This is line up Singapore when meet India in AFC Asian Cup 2027. From goalkeeper we have Ivan from Lion City Club and coach you have Gavin Lee. And Singapore you form 4-3-3. And central back we have Amirul Adil from BG Tamnes from Singapore League. And the next one is Sa Fuwan from Lion City Sailor from Singapore League also. And the next one is left back Lionel Ten from Club Lion City Sailor from Singapore Premier League. And the last one, central back, we have Ryan Stewart from Kanchanaburi FC from Thai League 1. And now we go to another CMF 3 more. We have Haris Harun, the captain of Singapore from Lion City Sailor in Singapore Premier League. And the next one is Nakamura. He played for Bangkok United in Thai League 1. And next one is Hami. He played for Lion City Sailor in Singapore Premier League. And the next one is OWF Isan Fandi from Ratchaburi from Thai League 1. And next one, Song Eyon from Lion City Club and he played in Singapore Premier League. And the last one we have Ihan Fandi. The brother is Ivan Fandi. He played for Buriram for CF in Thai League. And now we go to the line up India national team. From goalkeeper we have Sanhu from Bengaluru and coach we have Jamil. And you form 4-2-3-1. We have left back we have Mohammad Yuvis from Punjab FC. And central back we have Nikhil Papu from Punjab FC also, the same like Mohammad. And next one is central back also Rahul Beke from Bengaluru. And the last defender we have left back Anwar Ali from East Bengal. And now we go to another two CMF. We have Danish. He played from Kerala Blaster from India Super League. And next CMF we have Sang Kuman. He played for FC Go in India Super League. And now we go to another 3 player more. We have Ifan. He played from Chennai Yin from India Super League. And we have AMF. He played for Mumbai City. Changte. He played for Mumbai City and position is AMF. And the next one is Manvi Sang. He played from Jamshedpur in India Super League also. And the last one, he position is CF. He played for Mumbai City. His name is Vikram.